guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create my full face makeup look using Swiss Beauty makeup products. So yeah, let's get started with the makeup look. I have the products right here and I have received this packaging from Swiss Beauty brand, and let's see what is there inside it, and I'm very excited to use all of these products. I'm kind of impressed with some of the products, so that's the reason I wanted to come up with this video. So without wasting a lot of time, firstly let me show you what and all I have in this packaging. So look at the packaging, guys. This is the actual packaging of Swiss Beauty, and there is all the product that we will be using today, including base, eyes and lip products. So this is how the primer looks, and I'm really impressed by the packaging of this product, and it will cost you around 699 rupees. And this is Swiss Beauty Pores Zero Primer, so it has silky smooth texture. It feels so premium, the packaging. I really love the packaging of this primer. So I'm going to take a little bit of it, this much. It has this gel like texture. So I have already moisturized my face and I'm going to apply the primer, and I'm kind of loving this primer because it decently mattifies your face without drying out your skin or without removing all the shine from your face. I also like to apply the primer on my eyelid so that my eyeshadow stays for the longer time. I can see the visible difference on my skin. If I touch my skin feels really smooth. I cannot feel lot of texture on my skin. It appears smooth. My skin still has that natural glow. So that's the best part which I like about this Swiss Beauty primer. You can go with this primer. This is really nice primer at this price point, and it's affordable brand, but definitely I would say the quality is really nice. It's similar to Sugar Cosmetics, it's similar to Sephora primer, so what else you expect at 699 rupees, so you can just go with this primer. Next I will apply the foundation, and I have the Swiss Beauty Ultra Coverage HD foundation. You can see the packaging. I really like the packaging. It comes in this golden color packing, and I'm in the shade 02 Natural, and let's try out this one. So this foundation is priced at 499 rupees, and you can purchase it from Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. So let's try out this foundation. This is how the packaging looks. So the texture of this foundation is a little bit creamy and liquidy, and it has thick consistency. So I really like the blending of this foundation. It's getting blended really well. Smooth blending. I cannot see any brush strokes visible on my face, and maybe this is not only because of the foundation, because we have also used the primer underneath this foundation, so that's why the foundation looks very smooth. As you can see, I have like a small acne mark here, and it has kind of decently covered that, and this gives you a kind of a skin like finish which we desire for. And now let's move on to the concealer to just lighten and brighten the skin tone. The fit finish and the packaging is really nice. For 199 rupees, this is how the concealer looks. I'm going to apply it underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, chin, or some on my forehead, and also like to highlight this brow bone area, like the top part of brows, just to make my face looks a little bit lifted and upward. So I'm going to use this concealer. So whenever you want any coverage in your foundation or in your base, then you should work with the beauty blender. So it's kind of damp beauty blender. The liquid formula is really nice. It sinks into your skin, it blends into your skin. So I'm kind of impressed with this foundation, with this concealer. Like, I would love to use it as highlighter, as a cream highlighter, instead of just, you know, doing some correction or something. But if you have like a really dark circle or intense darkness or pigmentation going on, then this concealer won't be effective in that way. Then you have to go with work with correctors and color correction, things like that. But this is a liquid concealer, so you can set your concealer with any loose powder. Right now I don't have any contour product, so I'm going to be using the Swiss Beauty Lip Stain Matte Lipstick as my contour, because this is in a brown kind of shade, so I can use this to contour and define my shape. Blending it on my jawline. It's kind of a contouring plus blush. As you can see, it has added some warmth to my face and my face looks more defined. This gives you more like bronzy and contoured effect. If you want to make your makeup look more vibrant and photogenic, then you can go with some vibrant shade. I'm using this lipstick as my blush because this is matte finish, so it can beautifully sit on my face, and matte finish lipsticks are more long lasting, so it will not fade away. So let's see. Next, I'm going to try out the Swiss Beauty Liquid Highlighter, and this is how the packaging looks. It's a beautiful rose gold packaging and feels premium, and this highlighter is priced at 349 rupees and it is called as Liquid Highlighter Illuminator Liquid, and I am in the shade 01 Light Pink. Has added that glow on my face, as you can see. I'm really liking that. The only thing is that it has shimmer particle in it, so once you blend it into on your skin, you can actually see the shimmers. So I would recommend this highlighter for all the night out look. Like, you can wear this highlighter at the night time because it has some shimmer. So, and just for 349 rupees you're getting this formula, and you can use this highlighter on your face, like on your neck area, on your body parts, like if you want to highlight it. Next, I will set my full face with some powder. So now let's move on to the eye makeup, and for eye makeup I'm going to be using this Swiss Beauty Winkey 36 colored eyeshadow palette. So this is how the packaging looks. I'm really liking the packaging of all of these products, guys. So guys, this is how the actual palette looks like. Oh my god, this is 36 colored eyeshadow palette and you get almost all the shade. This palette is very colorful and it comes in the combination of matte finish and shimmery eyeshadows and satiny eyeshadows. So you will get both the shades like matte and metallic, and beautiful combination of all the colors in this palette. And it is priced at 699 rupees only. So till now, whatever products we have used, all were within the budget, all were within like I would say 700 rupees. The primer was priced at 700 rupees, foundation for 500. Definitely, if you're going for these kind of palette in high-end brands, then you have to at least pay 2000 rupees for 36 colors. So I must say the matte finish eyeshadows are really pigmented. They are really good quality. When it comes to the shimmery shades, few of the shades are I was not satisfied with the pigmentation part. Let's get started with the eye makeup. I'm going to start with this shade. and this is blending beautifully. I'm really liking the matte finish shade of this palette. Next I'm going to apply this skin-like color on the top of the brown shade as my transition color. Next I'm going to take this dark chocolate shade and I will define my crease and I will darken my crease. Then I'm going to take this orangish shade to add some warmth and some color to my lid. So I'll apply this on the crease. You can see it has added some orangish tint to my eye makeup. So next I'm going to use this beautiful liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty. It is priced at 199 rupees and it has certain shimmer in it. So I'm just going to apply this on my lid. Next, using this deep brown shade, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. So next, using my liquid concealer, I will do some corrections. Like I will sharpen the edges of my brows and I will also define my eyebrows. So let's see. So next I'm going to apply this Intense Gel Kajal Electric Blue from Swiss Beauty, and this kajal is also priced at 299 rupees. This is a little bit expensive in comparison with the other products, and this is a beautiful blue color and I've already used it several times. I'm really liking this shade. Let me swatch this for you guys. Okay, so you can see how beautiful and how pigmented it is. Oh my god. So I'm done with the liner and next I'm going to apply the mascara, and this mascara is priced at 499 rupees and comes in the golden packaging. This is not a waterproof mascara and water resist, so you can use this mascara on a daily basis, and this gives you a nice lift to your lashes and volume to the lashes, but this is not waterproof, so you have to keep that in mind. Next I'm going to wear the same lipstick Bare 213 shade on my lips to finish this look. I also have this lip liner from Swiss Beauty, but I'm not sure whether this will go with my lip color. Let's try this one also. Pinkish reddish color. So guys, this is my final look and I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I had so much fun and I enjoyed trying out all these Swiss Beauty products, and I must say most of these products are my current favorite. And so that's all about this video guys. I hope you all enjoyed the tutorial, and you can check out my Instagram for a lot more makeup tutorials and makeup related contents. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you all very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.